Okay, so in today's training episode, we're going to be looking at how you can set up your own full-page chatbot. So a full-page chatbot is exactly what you can see on my screen now. It's essentially, as the name suggests, a chatbot which takes up a full page. You're able to talk to it. I'm able to, say, view the message history, look at any notifications and alerts, reset the chatbot in the exact same way that you'd be able to kind of interact with a typical website chatbot. One quick thing to mention as well is the full-page chatbot uses the exact same kind of conversations and FAQs that you've already got set up for your different, say, for your website widgets or your Facebook Messenger chatbots. You don't need to create any specific conversations or any specific FAQs purely for your full-page chatbot. They all use the exact same. Now, that's kind of how it looks for the end user, and a couple of bits of basics covered there. Let's jump into the back end and see how you can set one up. So when you're inside the ubisend CMS, basically head into channels here, and then just click options on the full page, and this will bring up your full page widget management area. So this is where you manage the appearance and can kind of get the code snippet to make it go live. Really easy to do this. It's not going to be a long video here at all, but as you can see, the first thing to note is that this pre-generated snippet of code here is essentially how you can make the chatbot live. All you need to do is paste this into your web page's HTML, and then you're going to be able to end up with a full page chatbot like I was just showing at the start of the video. Really nice, really simple. This little snippet here is pre-generated and it's completely unique to you, so no worrying about, say, anything weird happening with that. As well, here within the main settings, this is how you can kind of customize the design. You can obviously click show chatbot logo, and then you have a little logo appear in the top left. Change logo there, that's where you can change the logo and upload your own. And then within color settings, this is how you can kind of actually get onto a bit more of the fun side of things and actually kind of color your chatbot. Choose how it looks so it matches your brand. Text color, obviously fairly self-explanatory, that changes the text. And with the gradient start color here, this is essentially the top is the bottom left kind of gradient here, the bit that kind of comes in round like this, and then the bottom side is the right gradient there. So as you can see, using that, changed it to green. Now it's a little bit greener on this kind of area of the gradient, and then the gradient end color up here, this is going to be that red. Obviously this design that I've done here quite quickly isn't the prettiest. You're going to want to spend a little bit of time using your own brand guidelines, and of course as well you can just enter the hex code to say I could go for a grey if I wanted it to look a little bit more grey there, and then I could just add, say, just a kind of black, and I could end up with a rather noir looking chatbot. And then once you've done that, just simply click save, and if we just head over to our example, and I'll just refresh the page here. And as you can see, our black and white noir chatbot is in full force. So it's a really simple, really easy to use and really quick to set up. That's the end of this training series. And as well, obviously, if you do have any questions, just reach out to your account manager.